Three fishermen and the fish. Murillo, Daniel, and Bruno are fishing by the river. They notice two fish swimming near them.
Look, two fish.
A couple of fish.
Shall we get them?
Let's try it.
Murillo throws the fishing line into the water.
Look, humans are fishing.
Ian's carriage. Stay close.
I don't want to be caught.
Swim away fast.
Fish 1 swims too close and accidentally gets caught on the hook.
Help! I'm caught.
Oh no, what do we do?
Stay calm, I will help.
The hook is painful.
Bruno, please save him.
Bruno swims closer to Fish 1 and gently pushes him off the hook, taking his place.
I will go instead.
No, Bruno, you're too old.
Don't do this.
I leave it long enough. It's my time.
Bruno gets pulled out of the water by the fishermen.
I caught a big fish.
That's the old fish.
Let's put him back.
Murillo gently releases Bruno back into the water.
Bruno, you're safe.
We thought you were gone.
I'm still here. Take care of each other.
Thank you, Bruno. You saved me.
We won't forget.
Now, swim free, my friends. My best friends.